There comes a moment in life, a quiet moment, when everything slows down just enough for you to hear the truth. Not the noise of the world, not the opinions of others, but the voice inside you. And in that moment, you realize something uncomfortable. The thing holding you back is not your past, not your family, not your job, not your lack of opportunities. It's you. And if you're honest, truly honest, you already know it. You know the phrases you repeat to yourself every day. I'm tired. I don't have time. It's too difficult. Others are more lucky than me. These words feel harmless. They feel normal. They feel justified. But they are slowly keeping you exactly where you are. And let me tell you something clearly, with respect and honesty. Excuses have never changed a life. Excuses have never built confidence. Excuses have never helped anyone grow, succeed, or speak English fluently. Today, in this story, we are going to face the truth together. Not with anger, not with shame, but with courage. Because 2026 is not the year of excuses. It is the year of responsibility, the year of discipline, the year of transformation. And if you are listening right now, it means something inside you is ready. This is Fluent Diary. And before we go further, take a second to support this message. Subscribe, like, and share this video. You never know who needs to hear this today. A friend, a stranger, someone who feels lost somewhere in the world. Let's make 2026 a year of progress, growth, and real change. Together. Now, take a breath, and let's begin. Excuses don't usually sound like lies. That's why they're so dangerous. They sound reasonable. They sound logical. They sound like adult responsibilities. I'll start tomorrow. This isn't the right moment. I'm too busy right now. But here's the truth most people avoid. Every excuse you accept today becomes a wall you must climb tomorrow. Excuses don't scream. They whisper. And the more you listen to them, the more powerful they become. One more episode. One more scroll. One more hour of distraction. And suddenly, the day is gone. The week is gone. The year is gone. And you're still in the same place. Not because you're incapable. Not because you're stupid. But because you've been negotiating with the weaker version of yourself. That version wants comfort. That version avoids effort. That version is afraid of discomfort. But progress is uncomfortable. Growth is uncomfortable. Change is uncomfortable. And the person you want to become is waiting on the other side of that discomfort. So ask yourself, honestly, how long will you protect your excuses instead of protecting your future? Because excuses don't just delay progress. They slowly convince you that progress isn't possible. And that's how potential dies, quietly. Here is another truth that might hurt at first, but will free you once you accept it. No one is coming to save you. Not because people don't care, but because everyone is fighting their own battles. Your parents have their struggles. Your friends have their fears. Your boss has goals. The world keeps moving forward, and none of them are responsible for building your future. Waiting for rescue is one of the most expensive mistakes you can make. Because while you wait, time does not. If you want a better life, no one will hand it to you. If you want confidence, no one can give it to you. If you want to speak English fluently, no one can practice for you. The world doesn't reward intentions. It rewards action. And here's the empowering part. The moment you stop waiting for help, you stop giving your power away. When you say, "This is on me," something powerful happens. You move, even slowly, even imperfectly, even scared. Movement changes everything. So instead of asking, "Who will help me?" ask this: "What can I do today with what I have, where I am?" Motivation feels good. It feels exciting. It feels like fire. But motivation is emotional, and emotions change. One day, you feel unstoppable. The next day, you feel empty. If your life depends on motivation, your life will be inconsistent. Discipline is different. Discipline is doing the work when you don't feel like it. Discipline is showing up when no one is watching. Discipline is acting without applause. Discipline is practicing English even when you feel embarrassed. Discipline is working when others are resting. Discipline is continuing when everything in you wants to quit. Discipline is not something you are born with. It's something you build. One small promise at a time. 10 minutes of practice. 5 new words. 1 sentence spoken out loud. The goal isn't the minutes. The goal is becoming someone who keeps their word. Motivation can start you, but discipline finishes you. Stop waiting to feel ready. Act first. Confidence comes later. Most people treat struggle like an enemy. They run from it. They avoid it. But struggle is not here to destroy you. It's here to train you. Muscles grow under resistance. Minds grow under pressure. People grow under challenge. If something feels hard right now, it doesn't mean you're failing. It means you're being shaped. When you struggle to speak English, that's not weakness. That's learning. When you feel uncomfortable, that's not failure. That's growth. Confidence is not built by being perfect. It's built by surviving imperfection and continuing anyway. So instead of asking, "Why is this so hard?" ask, "What is this difficulty building inside me?" Because the people who grow are not the ones who avoid pain, but the ones who move forward despite it. Now hear this carefully. You are the problem, but you are also the solution. Your habits shape your days. Your days shape your years. Your years shape your life. If your life hasn't changed yet, it's not because the world is against you. It's because your habits haven't changed. And the good news? Habits can be rebuilt. You don't need a dramatic overnight transformation. You need one honest decision. I stop lying to myself. Alignment is power. When your actions match your goals, progress becomes inevitable. One small action today is stronger than 1,000 perfect plans tomorrow. Here, in Fluent Diary, we don't sell miracles. We don't promise shortcuts. We promise reality, daily effort, daily repetition, daily progress. Fluency is not magic. It's consistency. The boring days build you. The slow days shape you. The difficult days define you. If you stay with us, if you show up every day, even with small effort, your English will change. Your mindset will change. Your identity will change. And once you become someone who doesn't quit, you can build anything. If you are still here, listening until the end, it means something inside you is ready. Ready to stop making excuses. Ready to take responsibility. Ready to grow, even when it's hard. Remember this, 2026 will not change your life. You will, through discipline, through courage, through small actions every single day. Here in Fluent Diary, we walk this path together. Every day, a new story, a new reminder, a new step forward. Now, if this video awakens something inside you, write it in the comments. Tell us the first small action you will take starting today. Don't hesitate. Your commitment might inspire someone else who is struggling. We read your messages. We support each other here. You are not alone. Now tell me, what is the first small action you will take today to move forward? Write it down. Own it. The journey continues, and I'll see you in the next story.